Good Tuesday morning. Today is Travel Tuesday. Make sure to click on I'm feeling lucky and let us know at 8:30 where you visited. Also use complete sentences and correct capitalization as well as punctuation when writing where you visited. In literacy today, I will show you a PowerPoint on main idea and details, and we will take notes on what you learn in your literacy notebook. We will also read Letters Home from Yosemite. In math, you will complete place value detective, and in our targeted math group, you will not go to your Tuesday teacher that you've gone to the past 2 weeks, but you're going to stay with me so that we can have you give you a pre-assessment on multiplication just to see where you're at in that. And we will place you in each group accordingly. So let's make it a great Tuesday. I will see you guys at 8:30.